Hi friends, welcome back to Info Minutes. In this video we are going to see how is the India's first social networking super app and its features. If you are watching my channel first time, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, let's get into the video. Elements is a social networking app, lets you to share updates, upload posts, look for interesting posts, take photos and videos, chat with friends, make audio and video calls, and more. The app is made by Sumeru Software Solution, which was started by thousands of IIT students. The app is available on the Google Play Store and Apple's App Store. It will allow users to connect globally and shop locally. It allows free audio or video calls and a private chat connection. Being a Made in India app, Elements will be available in 8 Indian languages. It claims to keep the user's data safe and secure with end-to-end encryption, and the data servers is in the country itself. It will never be shared with a third party without any user consent. Its size is approximately 60 MB and compatible with all devices above Android 6.0. Elements is leading the trending chart on Google Play Store. The app has already been downloaded over 1 million times and has received an 4.3-star rating. Once the app is installed, open it. Select the Get Started option that appears on the screen. Choose your preferred language among the 10 available languages. Select your country and enter your phone number, and then OTP will be sent to that number. Once you entered it, then next page will ask you to set profile picture, enter your first name, last name, and select a password to start using the app. The password must be a combination of letters, numbers and special characters. Click Next to register. Then it will prompt us to sync our contacts. Tap the Send My Phone Book button. Allow the permission to access the contact. It will take few minutes to sync. If the sync is completed, it will lead us to start page of the app. The short description of each tabs of the app is shown in the start. The app has 5 sections or tabs. Let's see one by one. The first tab is Hub, where the topics such as news, gaming, health, lifestyle and more are found. It also aims to promote Indian brands on the platform, similar to the Facebook Marketplace, along with Elements Pay for secure payments. Next tab is Social, where we can connect with people and discover them. It is same like Instagram platform. We can upload posts and look for interesting posts. The Discover option where we can follow our favorite celebrities, athletes, politicians, etc. Then the next tab is Chat, where we can have one-on-one and group chats, and we can have audio and video calls. It include conference calls also. One of the main advantage of the app is privacy. Data security has been an issue with various foreign and local apps, but it claims to keep the user's data safe and secure with end-to-end encryption. Then the next tab is Alerts. It is for app notifications, where we can track friend requests and activities such as likes, comments on your posts. The last tab is the Settings. Here we can change settings like account, privacy, notification, logout and more. Not only this feature, it also include a built-in camera that has built-in filters and augmented reality characters. However, it has one-time password issue. Soon it will be rectified. The app has organized UI and privacy features and allows us to access various features that are popular these days. It has gained 1 million users already, and with more updates and features in the future, it can easily give tough competition to others. Anyway, India has its own social networking app. Okay, that's it. If you like the video, then share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Tap the notification bell to get new video update. See you in next video. Thank you.